Hi everybody, it's Mark again, and here's a music box that I ordered. It only cost $5 plus shipping, so I got like $10 in this music box, and the only reason I bought this music box was for a couple of reasons, actually. I was wanting to know whether or not parts of the music box would fit into a cuckoo clock. So I'm going to take this music box out of this case. I don't know whether they said it didn't work, which it doesn't. The spring isn't catching the winding gear. So like I said, I'm going to take the music box out of the case, and I'm going to see if at the very least the comb, this is a typical music box for a cuckoo clock where the man comes out of the clock, my most watched video on YouTube. But I want to see if the comb will fit on this music box. The comb, parts for a cuckoo clock are hard to come by. And so if the comb will fit, it would be worth the price that I paid for this music box, because I am working on a clock that the comb is missing some teeth. The clock that I'm working on is for a friend of mine, Nathan. He's already purchased the parts that I need to fix his clock, which is this right here. He got it off of Etsy for about $25. But a new music box is around $80. And I talked him into buying the parts because the tune that the clock played. So I don't want to take this comb off, so I'm just going to measure this comb. It is 20.3 millimeters wide. The comb on this music box is the same width. The length on this comb is about 25 millimeters, which is a little bit longer than the music box on this system. But I think that parts can be interchanged from this music box to this. For instance, on this music box, it looks like a pretty good governor. On this music box, the fan is broken. It's inside this bag. It's right here. And so I think parts might be able to be interchanged. And if so, you might want to start purchasing music boxes to fix your cuckoo clocks. Here's the governor for the music box. It works just fine. And I'm going to take the governor off on this music box to see if it's interchangeable. The only thing I need on this music box is a comb to fix this clock. That's why I'm not worried about bending things. I need some eyes. You can pick these up at Hobby Lobby for about $25. And I really like them because I'm blind. I want to see if this is interchangeable. The governors that you purchase off of Time Savers or wherever you want to purchase them, they say that you might have to modify them in order for them to work. And so, even if you have to modify this governor slightly in order for it to work, it would be worth it. Look at the prices for governors on Time Savers. And then look at the shipping costs, minimum shipping costs, unless you spend a certain amount of money. I'm going to go ahead and take the comb off of this music box. what have I got to lose? And I'm going to put it back. I'm going to put the comb onto the cuckoo clock. Try to. So as you can see, the comb from this music box that I bought fits on a cuckoo clock music box. Okay, but I would also like to know if this drum will fit on here. Because if it will, this is what this plays. However, there's music boxes out there that have way more different tunes these days. And if you could interchange the wheels for the cuckoo clocks, maybe your customer wants a different tune. I know there's going to be parts of this music box drum that will not fit because the way the music box is designed, and the music box has got a broken spring. But I don't know what it takes to take this wheel off and put it on this wheel. I have not came across wanting to do that before. But the comb fits. The governor will fit. Slight modification required, just like the ones on time savers. So if you could start picking up cheap music boxes, it might be worth it. It's a pretty music box. I might have another spring for this thing. I might fix it. But like I said, I wanted it for the governor and for the comb. And that was worth the price. I hope y'all like this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it's free to do so. And may God bless each and every one of you.